Hi guys! Hi everyone! So today I'm going to answer a question again. So ito yung question niya. Hello po ma'am, follower niyo po ako sa TikTok. Nagbabalak po kasi ako mag-cross country sa Malta ng caregiver from Israel. Okay naman po ba dyan? Hindi po ba mahirap mag-PR? May kakilala po ako na nag-work dyan sa Israel and nag-cross country dito sa Malta. Actually, kasabayan ko siya. And hanggang ngayon, live-in carer pa rin siya. So, yes, pwede naman po. As long as may employer ka or makahanap ka ng employer, pwedeng-pwede. But if you're going to come here as tourist visa or using a tourist visa and you're going to find a job here, I'm not recommending you to do that. So much better po while nandyan ka pa sa Israel, find an employer, find in any groups or pages in Facebook. There's a lot of employers around in Facebook,